It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Went to bed and he bumped his head and he couldn't get up in the morning. As you could probably guess from that surprise that you just saw, our song for this week is called It's Raining, It's Pouring. And this song is very important because it will be on our concert, so we make sure that we practice it even without our book. The song sounds like this. Move to the macro beat in your heels. Do, do. It sounds like this. Nice job. This song begins on the note G. So I'm going to call G Sol. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to find all the second line G's and I'm going to write Sol above them. Now is a good time for you to pause this video and to write Sol above all of your second line G's. When you are done writing, please pause the video and check your work. Great. Once you've checked your work, it's time to start learning how to play me's. Me sounds like this. Your turn to play. Remember, me is the same as the letter E. So I'm going to take this time to write in all of the me's in our song. These are all of the first line E's. You should pause the video and make sure that you have all of the me's written into your music too. Once you've checked your work, we're ready to move on to la's. La looks like this. 0, 1, and 2, same as the letter A. Your turn to play. Please pause the video and practice writing all of the A's, second space A, or la into your music, like this. Check your work. Great. Now we're ready to move on. Repeat after me. It's raining, it's pouring, your turn. Nice work. Let's learn how to play it now. It goes, it's raining, it's pouring, my turn first, it's raining, it's pouring, move your fingers but don't play, it's raining, it's pouring, your turn to play, it's raining, it's pouring. Nice work. If you need to practice that, please pause and use the solfege singer's language that you've written into your music. Let's review. This song is extra cool because the part that we just learned basically repeats right here. So we have two of the same parts right in a row, which should make it nice and easy. Please listen. It goes, sol, sol, mi, la, sol, mi, sol, mi, la, sol, mi. Move your fingers but don't play, it goes like this. Sol, sol, mi, la, sol, mi, sol, mi, la, sol, mi. Move your fingers and sing, please, here we go. Sol, sol, mi, la, sol, mi, sol, mi, la, sol, mi. If you don't have those fingers down yet, please pause and practice the first line of the song using your music. If you do, let's practice together. Starting on G, which is sol, here we go. If you need to practice that again, please rewind the video or pause and practice by yourself. The next part of our song also repeats. It goes like this. Sol, sol, mi, la, sol, sol, mi. Watch my hands first. It goes sol, sol, mi, la, sol, sol, mi. You do your your hands. Sol, sol, mi, la, sol, sol, mi. Do your hands and sing. Sol, sol, mi, la, sol, sol, mi. Now move your fingers with me, but don't blow, please. Here we go. Sol, sol, mi, la, sol, sol, mi. One more time, sing and move your fingers. Ready, set. Sol, sol, mi, la, sol, sol, mi. Let's play together. Second line, here we go. One more time, start on sol. If you're having trouble, please pause and slow it down, or please pause and look at your music for help. If you're ready to move on, that pattern pretty much repeats for the next part. So we have sol, sol, mi, la, sol, sol, mi. Sol, sol, mi, la, sol, mi. Sounds like this. Listen again. Sol, sol, mi, la, sol, mi. You try, ready. Sol, sol, mi, la, sol, mi. Nice job. I'm gonna play. Please move your fingers. Your turn to play. Great. If you need help with that part, please pause and practice the whole second line. We'll sing it first. It goes like this. Went to bed and he bumped his head and he couldn't get up in the morning. It's time to stop and practice the second line. If you're ready to move on, let's try the whole song. The song goes like this. We'll sing the words and move our fingers. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Went to bed and he bumped his head and he couldn't get up in the morning. Nice job. Please slowly practice this second line because this song will be on our concert. Have a great week. I'm going to play the whole song once so that you can hear. Please move your fingers, but don't play. It sounds like this.